YouTube, everybody. All right, here's a really quick one for you guys. For me, it's ridiculously annoying all the time that when I'm working on like kind of a larger scene with a lot of characters and I want to hide a certain character, it never hides everything, no matter what's parented underneath it. So, a nice little thing of that is you can select your character, and there's a little round thing up here called Group, New, and New Group. I click it, and you can name your group. I'm just going to call it the same name, Baboo. Okay. Labels and stuff, you can give it labels. If you show more, it gives target new groups of selected items, all the things that you select, blah, 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 blah. But all we want to do is parent selected items to a new group. That's these selected items and everything that's in under this little thing, little arrow. Click it, and now you've got your group. As you can see, if I open it, there's Baboo with all this stuff added. So it's all good, it's all good. But now if I click it off, boom, it's gone. And this for me is a bit of a lifesaver. So when you want to organize things and keep things clean, just create groups out of it. And, you can always right click here or double click it and give it a new name. And this one was Baboo Group. And you're good to go. Okay? So there we go. Baboo Group. I know it's that. I can open it up and inside is Baboo and everything else. All right. Thanks for watching. See you later.